Hello and welcome to the AV Nut. Well, we're not about AV. Today we're going to be looking at the Marantz PMD 201 portable cassette recorder for new, this is a professional system, so it would have been for people conducting interviews and so on. I paid $30 for this. This is 30 Rand. Google to your currency what that is, please. And record. It's got a analog video meter built in. It's got pause. Weirdly, it's got these little thingies. They could have put full-size keys here, they didn't. There's play, record, and stop and eject. Door doesn't eject, you have to get yourself in and just clip it open. It stays open, but it doesn't eject unless there's a tape in it. It's got a tape counter. It's got record speed, you can do slow and standard. It's got record mode, you've got manual volume control, limiter, I don't know what it does, and then you've got automatic level control. You've got your recording level knob here. That is metal low battery indicator. You've got a pitch control, you've got a tone control, and a volume level control, and a full-sized headphone output. Got one mono speaker. This whole system is a mono one. It's a full metal chassis. It's got two things on the side for a strap. You've got mic. I forget what this is. It's something important with microphones. Mic input, remote, telephone, direct telephone, so you can record telephone conversations with it. ANC, our favorite political party. Now, but I don't know what that is. So if you know, please tell me in the comments. A line in and out. As I said, this is the thing's mono, so it's one spot. A microphone, a built-in mic here. How did my battery on this thing just go from 2 bars to finished? Okay, we will be back in like an hour, but let me just show you this. 4.5 volt input, external speaker, you can turn it on and off, and a tape selector. You can record to type 1, type 2 and type 4 tape. Okay, let me go in. There's nothing on the back. It runs off 3D cells, and there's the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna go and put this camera on charge, because for some reason the battery just died quick. It says I've got 73 minutes of battery time left. Okay, I'm just gonna record. So it's got auto shut off and playback pitch control. So we're gonna open up the deck. This speaker, by the way, sounds horrible. Well, not horrible, but not good. It's designed for just monitoring your recordings. It's not for proper listening playback. That's what the headphone and the line output is for. Which those do sound really good. So this is Talking Classics. This is one of my unusual test tapes with Dolby P noise reduction. It's a type 2 tape. You have to wiggle its knob to get it working.
The poor man, he felt so rafted after his uplifting by the parson's news that he went up to Rolliver's half an hour ago. He do want to get up his strength for his journey tomorrow with that load of beehives, which must be delivered, family or no.
Okay, and the other side, we're going to snap a bit.
Curiosity to ask any further about Mr. Clare, and gradually fell asleep again. The early mornings were still sufficiently cool to render a fire acceptable in the large room wherein they breakfasted, and by Mrs. Crick's orders, who held...
Okay. Here's a good test tape if you want to test cassette decks for speech. Okay, we're going to be using now Gangster's Paradise, the Leon Schuster album. We got a snap.
I wanna
does work in playback, by the way. Gives a little indicator there. Okay, we're gonna eject that now. I'm gonna do a direct line out now, after this one. So we've got Blessed Beaches, the Devil, and the Soul. Yeah, not the best quality tape, but it's a nice album. Album also wasn't really played back too well on the LP player, so yeah. I'm gonna do a direct line out through the line out if that doesn't work, the headphone jack. But yeah, also this is broken. But so I'm gonna record on the slowest speed to a type 1 tape using the internal microphone. I'm not gonna use an external one because this is so good actually. Gonna turn the recording level all the way up. Make sure everything's sharp, pitch, down, like that. Okay, recording speed slower, manual volume control. Okay, so this is in. I am going to record this and we will be back in 2 moments. Okay, so there I've recorded the type 1 tape. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the far west of this system. I've got a type 2 100-minute Fuji tape that I'm going to record at standard speed to. So we have to just adjust the little switch here to type 2 and we can now record. So I'm going to record these two and give the direct line in and out. Okay, so that's it for me for the video portion, and then I'll say goodbye in the portion now with this. So say goodbye to the mats. Bye bye.
Dengeling, die kleine streng, maar wat daar heng man, dis lekker om te biewe hier in Gauteng. Hakuna Matata Muni Wari Wari crime. Kom ons maak 'n hap op die Gauteng-lyn. Kom ek by die huis sit my TV verdwyn. Ek sien weer my gat daar op die kort termyn in Gauteng.
Okay, now you are hearing the wonder that is the what's it called? The Marantz PMD 201 cassette recorder on the low speed setting to a type 1 cassette tape. This is a decent, it's a BASF Ferro 1 power 60-minute tape. It's actually quite a good tape. This is being recorded in mono. This is going to be, I think I'm gonna just do the line out, so you're not gonna hear this until I'm doing the lines out, which I'm doing now. But anyway, the record level is at the highest possible, and I'm sitting maybe 2 feet away with it on the table while I'm sitting at, well, it's on my desk and I'm sitting at the table. So yeah, I'm gonna stop this and I will be be right back on the phone.
The poor man, he felt so rafted after his uplifting by the parson's news that he went up to Rolliver's half an hour ago. He do want to get up his strength for his journey tomorrow with that load of beehives, which must be delivered, family or no. He'll have to start shortly after 12 tonight, as the distance is so long.
Okay, so I am recording to a Type 2 tape now. Same thing, like 3 feet away from my face. Talking like I would normally talk to someone who is that's like maybe 2 meters away. If someone's in the same room, then I would speak to them like this. The video meter actually isn't going too much, like moving around too much. If I were to move closer, then it would be definitely. But anyway, this is a Type 2 Fuji tape. It is 100 minutes long. I'm recording at the full volume. It's on the Type 2 setting mode. I'm gonna be playing this back to, like I said previously, lined out or the headphone output. So, there's also a little hole that I think you can adjust as an if, but anyway, I am going to take this opportunity and say goodbye and stay safe, stay home, and stay happy, dear bull.